Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about a button in the web page or in a website. Button perform different operations to submit data, to log in, to sign up, or to send data to the database, to delete something operations. We use a button that are clickable. For example, this is a button, and anything else we write on the button to understand what is the functionality of button. So we can create button in HTML, and then we can design any button in different style using CSS style sheet. So button are used to perform different operations like this one, and there are some example how you can create button in the HTML, and then how you can design or give style CSS properties to that HTML button. So this is a button tag, peer tag in the HTML. This is a ID value btn means button, and this tags will be displayed on the button like this one. This is a button, and here will be written as a submit. So this is a text you want to display on the button. This is a one method to create button in the HTML. Second method is that is using a input type value is a button. Value submit, this value will be displayed on the button. So this is the second method you can create button using HTML. Then we will target this button ID or this type attribute button to design this button in different style. You can see that these are different types of buttons you can create, and you can design in any style. Attractive button you can design. So we go to Notepad how you can target a button to give CSS styles. In the Notepad, first of all, I want to save this file. You can see that this is a basic structure of HTML. I can write here a title, CSS button. We're learning to CSS button, and then what I have to do, I have to create a button using button peer tag, and here I write a send data, and I create another button to give a line break, put a slash at the end to show that this is a unpaired tag, get data or delete data. Another button is a submit button. So I provide a ID, for example send, and I target this ID in the style, internal styling. This is ID. I will put a hash symbol, then I create a block for the designing, and here I will write something CSS properties like background color of button. I show you first of all. Button.html, you can see that there are different button are displaying here that are clickable, and I give more line break to see clearly. Refresh, you can see that these are button clickable button. There is no functionality backend this button. We can make functional using programming language, using JavaScript. When I click send data, our form data or any other data will be sent to the database, and if you want to retrieve data from the database, when you click get data. So these are the different functionality of the button you can set using any programming language. And then what I have to do, I have to target this button background color, text, font size, width, height, padding, margin. We can also control. For example, background color is gray. I save this file, refresh, you can see that its color is changed. I can also change its background color to black, and its color, background color, its background color means it's the text color or font color, white. This button you can design, and I can also use a yellow, and padding for side means top side. When I mention here padding, about padding we will discuss what is padding there are different properties related to padding: padding left, padding right, padding top, bottom. We can set 10 pixel means padding top, padding uh, padding right, padding bottom, and padding left. When I refresh four sides, you will see that there is a padding. So this is a padding means the distance between content and the border. This is a padding. So I can also show its border. For example, border 1 pixel, its width, and solid its style, and yellow its color. And I save this file and see its result. You can see that there is a border. There is a border. That color is a yellow. So another is I can also set a margin left, so it will move from the left side with the 40 pixel. You can see that. So same like designing, we can target. So another is get data id. For example, get, and this is a id. I will use a hash symbol, and I can also control its background color. For example, yellow, and its color is blue, and padding I did not give for this time padding. Refresh, you can see their design, and we can also give some padding, padding 10 pixel, sorry, 10 pixel. I want to give padding for side, but in this case there are two values of padding. 10 pixel means padding top and bottom will be 10 pixel. 30 pixel means padding left and right will be 30 pixel. When I refresh, you can see that this is a 10 pixel, and left right is a 30 pixel padding I have give. So this is a functionality you can create, and you can target any button in any way. For example, there is another button in the, for how you can target that button. Input type, and next type is button, and we can value means what text you want to display on the button. Value is, for example, submit. I save this file, and when I refresh, you will see that there is another button, submit. This is a submit getting from the form. And how can I target this button? I will target this button using its type attribute selector, and I will write here a type. In the square bracket there is a input is a tag, and inside the input there is a type attribute, and its value is button. I can target this button for the input type, and I want to target input tag that have a type attribute and value is button. And next what I do, I am copy paste here, just changing something else, for example gray. So you will see that there is some changings, that is this one, submit. This submit button is taken from this form tag. So this way you can target any button to design or to apply CSS properties. You can make it attractive button than me. Just my purpose is to show you how you can target a button and how you can apply different CSS properties. Anyhow, if you have any question, any problem, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.